Hello everyone and welcome back to KK Education. In today's video, we are going to learn a beautiful and thought-provoking poem titled It's Change. So watch this video till the end. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to KK Education for more educational videos. Now let's begin today's poem, It's Change.
Mom, I don't want to go to school today, 'cause I fear our world is in decay. I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I'm the only one who sees through the rot. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change, a quantum leap. Biologists are making stem cells grow, saying it's change, the way to go. Geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying it's change, predicting its birth. Archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change, time for clones. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn.
Learning helps us understand our changing world.